global debt mountain that now tops $300 trillion, more than 3 times the value of everything the world makes in a year. Debt might sound like a modern problem, just a big, scary number on a government spreadsheet. But in reality, it's one of the oldest ideas in human history. Long before banks, before coins or paper money, debt was simply a promise. Imagine lending your neighbour a bag of grain in the spring. When harvest came, they'd pay you back, maybe with a little extra as a thank you. No interest rates, no complicated contracts, just trust. Because for thousands of years, humans understood a simple concept. Sometimes you need something right away, but can only pay for it later. That's all debt really is at its core. Borrowing from tomorrow to solve a problem today. From that point on, money became what we now call fiat currency. Not backed by gold or anything physical, just by government decree. Governments could now create at will. And if that sounds like a recipe for endless borrowing, it was. From the 1980s onwards, global debt exploded. Countries discovered that borrowing wasn't just useful in wartime, it could fuel the economy's growth too. And so borrow they did. To build schools, repair roads, and even to carry the economy out of recession. Debt became the engine of progress for first and third world countries alike. And over time, it stopped being a last resort and became the norm. Today, debt is how things get built, how crises get managed, and how promises get kept. And the result? A global debt mountain that now tops $300 trillion, more than 3 times the value of everything the world makes in a year. To put that into perspective, a stack of $1 million bills would be 100 meters tall, and about the height of a 30-story building. $1 billion would reach 100 kilometers, high enough to touch the Earth's atmosphere, but 300 trillion is enough to go to the moon and back 50 times. That's the amount of debt that we're talking about.